I have won as many races as I have lost. Success is temporary. They expect me to know what's right, but I don't have an answer for everything. I am as lost as they are. Sometimes I wonder if it's worth it. The sound of speed never lies to you. You can walk on the road, be called a king or a pauper. People come, people go. But that power will always be there for me. Behind the wheel, no one can tell me what to do. I am my own God, I am my own savior. At the end of it, it's all about the journey, not the destination. Ferrari, love your journey.